It's been a full month since I made this bad boy, and a month is actually the expiry date. So I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna eat it now. If I can open it, come on. Ah! Now with the Cup Noodle Museum, Cup Noodle Factory noodles, they actually make these boys fresh. The noodles they use are more fresh than normal cup noodles. And so that's why it has such a short shelf life. Oh, I'm opening it now. Cuppa noodles. Cuppa noodles, Mino gang. There's the Kiwi in Japan. Rori with a kiwi. Kettle's boiling. Let's open this boy up now. Look at these little guys. Aww. I forgot I chose to put those in. This is the mascot of the extra spicy flavor of cup noodle. I chose curry as the base of the broth. I've got some little pork bits there. I think I chose cheese. This is cheese. So this will turn into a cheese-like consistency once I add the hot water. I can't remember what I added, but this is gonna be so good. And there it goes. Kettle is whistling. Whoa. Let's pour it in. I'm gonna go to there. I think there's like this line, which is like the recommended where you pour it to. I usually don't go to there because I don't want too much broth. Okay, and I'm gonna put this bowl perfectly on top because you want to keep all that steam and all that heat inside. So I'm gonna leave it just for a little bit. I'm excited. Okay, here we go. I have my cup noodle. I'm mixing it around. It's looking so hot and delicious. Oh man, that curry flavor. Curry cup noodle is my favorite and it always has been. In New Zealand, I would buy the curry cup noodle flavor for about $5 for 1 cup of curry noodle. And here it's like $1. It's like 70 yen, but I would pay a premium just because I love that curryness. Check it out. Check that out. Oh, yummy. It's so hot though, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat it. Gotta do what the Japanese do when they eat their noodles. They slurp. It's a sign of politeness. It's polite, it's a good sign. It means you wanna eat so fast. You just wanna eat it now. You don't care if it's hot. You're gonna get all that cold air inside while you eat. So let's give it a go. Oh. The noodle texture is slightly better than that of the normal cup noodles. The curry flavor, it's delicious. It's just a little bit hot. Here's one of the little pork pieces. For long life, heavily processed pork, this is not bad. That's pretty good. I'll check it out. It's one of my little boys. One of the little, the little chicken things. I wonder what it tastes like. I think it's a little bit of a fish flavor. I can't taste anything. I think it's just for appearances. And I think the little pieces of cheese have melted somewhere in there. I can't see them. I don't know if I can taste them, but I can definitely see some of a cheesy consistency. Like there. I don't know if that's being picked up on film. Yum, this is good. I'm glad I got to make this. It's mainly the cup that I'm most satisfied with. Now I have my own cup noodle cup. It's hot. Oishii. Well, thank you so much for watching this video, Kiwi in Japan Cup Noodle Museum. See you guys for the next video. Subscribe, stay tuned. Love your Kiwi in Japan gang. You're the gift that keeps on giving. And please leave me a comment and talk to me because I read every comment and I reply to every comment. Okay? All right. Hot. Ah! Atsui ne?